Okay, so the first stock that I am actually actively watching right now is MFI again. From the previous video, you saw me talking about them. I have traded them in the past. They had a crazy run up all the way to over $36 a share. And as of recently, they actually end up dropping a lot. So two things happen. One, the company announced that they're actually separating one of their product lines into its own separate company, which is called, I think, Canada Packers, I believe. Essentially, it's their pork business that they are turning into its own separate entity. And as of recently, from what I read, it has been profitable, which is a good thing. But the stock itself also got downgraded to, let's find out together. Maple Leaf Foods price target cut to $32 a share from $35 by Scotiabank. So some of these banks are dropping the price targets. So went from 36, came all the way down to 27. Currently it closed at 28 and change. So I'm going to be looking at potentially purchasing this tomorrow. Today it is Thursday the 9th. So I'm looking at it tomorrow. Maybe try to get in before the market closes for the weekend. And then I'm expecting it to go up next week or within the next couple weeks. One downside to this is that it did crack below the 200-day moving average, which I don't like. Does not make me happy when I see that because I'm trying to bet on its upside. So maybe I'll even just wait until I see this crack above the 200 moving average and then buy then. Try to play it a little bit more safe that way. Another stock that I am currently looking at is Meta. They did drop quite a bit recently, coming down from $785 a share and change, came all the way down to just under 700, and now it's sitting at $733. The benefit here is I see a lot of upside potential. So I actually did purchase options on this stock. One, I don't have enough to make it worthwhile in my trading account to purchase such an expensive stock. So I did put an options play in that will expire in the new year. And hopefully will make me a pretty penny on that. Another options play I had recently was on Shopify. Sorry, my bird's going wild. So I purchased Shopify over here. Again, I just didn't have enough money in my trading account right now because I have money sitting in other places. I was able to take advantage of this drop here. So I purchased call options to bet on the upside, and options do allow me to play the stock with not as much capital. I ended up making like $500 on my options trade there, which is phenomenal. I think I had it at, let's find out together. I think it was October 17th, and I think I had it at 150. Yeah, so I purchased it here right before close on Monday, the 29th, at about $2.50 a contract. And when you purchase options, this price that you see over here, so whatever the price is, 250, is actually multiplied by 100. So each contract is worth 100 shares. And then I ended up selling it. I purchased here somewhere, and then I ended up selling it on the Monday. Yeah, sorry, I purchased it on a Friday. I ended up selling it on the Monday around lunch, and it just shot up like crazy. So I ended up doubling my profits. I put in $500, and then the value went up to 1,000 USD, which is phenomenal. So I made $500 USD over the weekend on this trade, which is great. Super happy about that. Hindsight though, I remember looking at the 200 moving average, and I'm like, I feel like it could go up higher, bounced around, shot up. So that same $500 that I ended up buying 2 contracts, that same $500 is actually sitting at $14 a contract now. So that would have been over $10 profit per contract times 2. So that is pretty shitty that I wasn't able to take advantage of that. So if I were to look at this, let's say making $10 of profit times 100 times 2. So that would have been already $2 grand profit if I held it this whole time. But you know, it is what it is. I still made profit. I'm still grateful. And yeah, those are my current plays that I am watching at the moment. So thank you for watching this video and staying here this long. As of right now, these are the plays I'm watching in the market. I'm sure there's more out there, but this is just what I'm watching. And we'll see. Maybe we'll see in the upcoming videos if my analysis was correct. Or maybe we'll see that I'm wrong. I don't know. We'll see, but stay tuned.